Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Air Suspensions. Just finished up this beautiful 2018 Ford F-450. This thing is gorgeous. Obviously, as you can tell, it's a ruby red unit. We sent out the headlights, Eco Tint had the ruby red and matte black accents put in that. So we've done a few of them with the gloss black and the matte black. Personally, I think the matte looks better. Really, really cool setup. So we started out with our Bravo Series grill, got the lights in. This says Iron Grip Motion Picture Rigging Services. So this guy owns a company that does a lot of movie filming. If you ever seen any of the behind the scenes stuff where they have the big booms that kind of come out and film beside the cars when they're driving and do all the action. So really cool setup here. So he wanted his company logo in his truck. Then we moved down here to our Alpha grill. We got the monster hooks that we colored matched with the ruby red and matte black spacers in it to kind of really set it off. Did ruby red mesh in the grill and bumper to really set off. Run a worn 16.5 winch here with synthetic rope, painted the fair lead hook, also ruby red to match. And as usual, running the rigid lights in all the spots. These are the Midnight Series. The two-tone really makes it look cool too. So you know, getting that matte black center breaks it up, gives it a very unique look to what we do here at Kelderman Trucks. So we come over here to the tires. We're running some Toyo 37-inch 13.5 22s. We're running fuel forged wheels on this guy. Have these, same thing, custom made with the matte black and the ruby red accents, and the caps painted to match. Then we're running our 5 to 6 inch Kelderman kit here, ruby red to match the paint. We're running Fox remote reservoir shocks. Also, you can see the sensor here that controls the air suspension system. We're running a 3/8 system that we get from Airlift. Then we build the compressor box and dryer. The system's been working pretty slick. And down here you can see on the trailing arms, we went ahead and painted the factory trailing arm, radius arms, some people call them, to match the truck and the rest of the suspension. We've got a matte black Kelderman backdrop behind it. We also took off the chrome, got rid of the chrome mirrors, had Eco Tint to get us a set of lights to match up with the ruby red. Then we did all the badges as well. Got rid of the chrome door handles, painted them matte black. These are the trucks that the Platinums come standard with the AMP research steps, so we don't have to put those on. Come back here, we got our traditional Kelderman 4-link rear suspension with the Fox remote reservoir shocks. Again, it's all color matched. Fuel wheels, duals, they're also color matched to match the front wheels. It looks really cool. You do the matte and then the accents with fuel forged in there and the accents on the wheels. We went around and also tinted the rear tail lights and marker lights to give it a little bit of a, not so bright. And the rear tail lights, once you tint these things, match the ruby reds so much better. Also tore apart the tailgate, painted that, got the Ford emblem, color matched, really looks slick. So we come back here, we have the Alpha Series rear bumper. On the back here, since we did a little different than the front where the hooks were red, we did these matte black and did the spacers ruby red. So obviously the 3-piece design lets us get some more breakups, some more contrast in it. Also doing the Midnight Series rigids in the back. So really cool truck. This thing's going to the Phoenix area. So if you look in Arizona, if you live in Arizona, keep an eye out. You're going to see this truck running